welcome back to 2-Minute Tips with this is Karen Westbrook, and I'm going to be showing you how to finish out the eye makeup. What we did was use this tapered end, and we dipped it in a brown and then a darker brown for the crease. We cleaned it up with a slightly lighter than skin tone at the edges, and I'm going to come in now and blend it out. I'm just going to be using this empty edge. Real gentle. Good for a quick makeup. I have already applied concealer to the insides of my eyes, not the tear duct area, but above, where I usually have a lot of shadows. If you want to, you can come back in with the unused edge of your tapered blending sponge with a slight pink color to come in and really highlight under the brows. And really, that's all you need to do. Okay. Pretty smooth, good for a daytime look. Now I'm going to come in and just clean up this edge here. Make sure I don't have any shadows on my higher cheekbone. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you do, like and share, and leave me a comment under my video. Alright, see y'all later. Bye bye.